Croton Gold Dust. Croton Gold Dust is a tropical plant with vibrant, glossy leaves featuring green with yellow speckles. It thrives in bright, indirect light and requires consistent moisture but not overwatering. This shrub prefers warm temperatures, high humidity, and well-draining soil. Keep it away from direct sunlight and handle with care as all parts are toxic. It can be grown indoors or outdoors in tropical regions and requires regular pruning for a bushier appearance. Pros of Croton Gold Dust: beautiful, colorful foliage. Versatile for indoor or outdoor use. Low maintenance. Air purifying qualities. Cons of Croton Gold Dust: toxicity to humans and pets. Sensitive to cold temperatures. Dropping leaves during environmental changes. Specific watering and pruning requirements.
Cordyline baby doll plant. Cordyline baby doll plant is a compact and dwarf variety of the cordyline plant, known for its vibrant pink and green foliage. It is a popular ornamental plant, suitable for both indoor and outdoor settings, adding a touch of color and elegance to any space. Advantages of planting: cordyline plant, attractive and colorful foliage, versatile for indoor and outdoor use, generally low maintenance, adds a tropical touch to spaces. Some species can help improve indoor air quality. Disadvantages of planting cordyline plant: not all species are cold hardy, susceptible to pests. Overwatering can cause issues. Some species may be toxic if ingested. Requires occasional pruning.
Dracaena reflexa. Dracaena reflexa, or Song of India, is an indoor plant native to Indian Ocean islands. It has glossy, green leaves with yellow or cream stripes. It's easy to care for, preferring indirect light and moderate watering. It purifies indoor air and adds decoration. Keep away from pets due to its toxicity. Pros of Dracaena reflexa: attractive leaves. Glossy green leaves with yellow or cream stripes enhance indoor aesthetics. Air purification. Contributes to better indoor air quality by filtering pollutants. Easy maintenance. Suitable for various skill levels. Relatively simple care requirements. Adaptable. Thrives in different indoor conditions and lighting levels. Decorative. Adds beauty and elegance to interiors. Low pest vulnerability. Less susceptible to pests and diseases. Cons of Dracaena reflexa: toxic to pets, can be harmful to pets if ingested. Sensitive to overwatering, root rot can occur with excessive watering. Natural leaf drop, lower leaves may naturally yellow and drop. Limited flowering, rarely blooms indoors. Light requirements, prefers moderate light, not ideal for low light areas. Size management, may grow tall and need pruning. Dieffenbachia seguine. Dieffenbachia seguine, also known as dumb cane, is a tropical plant native to South America. It is a popular houseplant because of its attractive foliage, which can be variegated in various colors. Dumb cane can grow up to 6 feet tall indoors, but it can reach up to 20 feet tall in its native habitat. Dumb cane is a relatively easy plant to care for. It prefers bright, indirect sunlight and moist soil. Water it when the top inch of soil is dry. Fertilize it once a month during the growing season. Pros of Dieffenbachia seguine, dumb cane: attractive appearance. Large, glossy leaves with variegated patterns add aesthetic appeal to indoor spaces. Easy care. Suitable for various light conditions and requires simple care routines. Air purification. Contributes to better indoor air quality by removing pollutants. Adaptability, thrives in different indoor environments. Propagation, can be easily propagated through cuttings. Cons of Dieffenbachia seguine, dumb cane. Toxicity, sap is toxic and can be harmful if ingested or touched. Sensitive to cold, vulnerable to cold temperatures and drafts. Pest-prone, susceptible to pests like spider mites and mealybugs. Size management, can grow large indoors, needing regular pruning. Limited flowers, rarely blooms indoors, flowers are inconspicuous. Allergy potential, some people may experience allergies to pollen or sap.